If you want a man that's fine or young, you can have him. You are taking good care of yourself and you see the value in you, then you can attract anyone your way that you want to have in your life. You can have everything that your heart desires in this life. You put God first by putting yourself first and put your best foot forward. So whoever tells you that dating a younger man is not for you after 30 or 40, they have no clue. Now, is it not having too much experience saying this? No, because if it had already been done, then someone can't come in and tell you that it can't be done, you see. But the thing is how you go about getting one. If he's fine, you're going to look at his looks and you're not going to think about everything. All the things that you learned is going to go out the window because you're trying to get this guy who looks good. And it's not going to work. If you want a nice looking man, you can't go after looks on him. He may be established in life. You have to say, I'm important. I have value, more feminine, and I'm a woman. He has to be the provider for you. He has to be the one paying you for the meal. What you must do is focus. Focus on you as a whole, inside and out. Surely get any man you want to, old, young. Thank you for watching our weekend series. I hope you come back. Don't forget to rate, comment, check out our new blog in the description box. Until next time, ciao.